without going on the spring, that's how loose they are.
Are you just tapping that?
Yeah, I'm just tapping that. And then that's bending them.
You might have to ride it as well.
Yeah, I will.
Just make it part
because they might think you're pushing full hard. Yeah, this is Matt Hudson. He bought an Epic C7.
When the bearing's coming in.
Put it at the end. Put it at the bearing's coming in. You're going to do a lot of editing to get that all out.
Yeah. I think we're screwing up your chances of getting these trucks though, yo. Well, we don't even have this one for the
Yeah, you don't film them properly. No, you don't.
Yeah.
Just edit it when you get home.
Good corn chips.
Oh, now you like them?
Yeah, they're kind of good actually.
Yeah, that's straight.
Like the Pepsi Max.
No, the corn chips. You'll never like Pepsi Max. You've got a problem.
Like that. Okay. In here. Can you see that?
You might have to take it because I don't even know what you're talking about.
Oh, okay. Right in here, like in there, when I think it's when my lock nut goes in, it's a bit chipped. It's like kind of worn at the sides, so it angles out, and so when I'm riding, I get a lot of like looseness, like it twitches. Oh shit! I wasn't even holding the camera right. Yeah, it twitches, and so that's really sketchy when I ride. I'm gonna like come off and hurt myself. I already have. That's pretty dangerous. I can't even do it. Yeah, ow.
Tell them to wear helmets in the videos too.
I don't hit my head. Okay. Yeah. Anyways.
I hit mine.
Is it full blurry?
Like you'd remember. Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
That's the old joke.
It's a bit sketchy out.
Number 4.
I checked my mates' trucks and they're not like that. They're kind of just flat down, and theirs work perfectly fine. So, yeah. How do I pause this? Okay. These are my trucks. I'll tighten them every now and then. There's like every time I'll be riding for like 5 minutes or so, I'd have to tighten them again because they get loose. I've got about 5 notches now on my kingpin.
Congratulations, Dad.
Shut up, man. But without like, they move without going on the spring. They're just wiggly. And see, that's me. Wait, 1 sec. That's me pushing on them, and that's them just wiggling. And it's not, the kingpin's not loose or anything. So I think it's, we checked the wave cams and it's not them. Here's when it's taken apart. This side, because it's on both sides. In here, right down there, in that little part in the trucks, it's a bit chipped. It's like coming outwards, so I think what the problem is, when the lock nut goes in, it's not twisting on the top, only a little bit. It's not wiggling there, but at the bottom, it's kind of got room to move. And I've taken apart my mates' trucks because they've all got original decks as well, and theirs isn't chipped away like that. Their decks, trucks don't wobble, and so yeah, I don't know why it's like that. I've tried a whole bunch of things. I just always have to retighten them. It's getting really annoying. It's really sketchy when I ride. Yeah, it's just pretty bad. And there's probably a better view. Can't really see it.
He's like sitting there cross-legged. He's talking about
Oh yeah.
He's doing the fake high five.
That's a big step.
Very sketchy.
Are you sure?
I'm riding. I can tighten it, and they'll still stay pretty much like that the whole time. Lachlan, if you'd hold the camera for me.
Don't say my name.
The views and opinions portrayed in this video are not that of the providers. You know what I'm saying?
they're still shaky.
Don't
and
push it, jiggle
really,
it.
yeah,
You
I'm
push
jiggling it. That's just jiggling it, and that's pushing it, and they're still sketchy no matter how much I tighten them. That's probably going to crack my wave cams. So I'll undo that. I think you can stop filming now.
Well answered! How do you pause it?
Stop filming.
How do you trigger? Yeah.